Today I'm gonna show you how to build a Lego Baymax vignette. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Sorry if my regular upload is a little bit late, but today we are gonna build something for the Disney 100 minifigure Lego Baymax from Big Hero 6. Today I'm not gonna build the usual 8x8 habitat, but Baymax is gonna get upgraded to a 16x16 habitat. That's because I'm participating to Vign Week 2023 competition in which I have to build 6 vignettes in 7 days. Over here on the right side you can see the 6 build I made last year. I will link down below a playlist where you can check the videos about all those builds. But now back to Baymax, a famous character from Big Hero 6. I had a lot of suggestions from you guys, thank you for that. But today we're gonna go a little bit bigger, and what I decided to do is to do the first meeting between Hero and Baymax. So he goes to the university of his brother, and in his lab he get to meet Baymax for the first time. So first I built a big massive base. So this is actually a road plate, 16x16. Over here on the side I added some printed bricks. I'm not sure exactly from which set they come from. And then I used these other parts, these printed tiles from the road plate to add a little bit of additional decoration on the base, hoping that maybe a nice base can score me some more points in the contest. Now it's time to place Baymax. So over here we're gonna have the round window. We are gonna add here his base, and then I'm gonna add a couple of studs at the bottom so that we can make him a little bit taller when compared to Hero. So this is the scene. Here you see we have a big gap because over there we're gonna put this big black carpet. It's just gonna slide down and sit in there, and it's already pretty nice. Over here we're gonna add a white wall. So here I already added a little bit of a decoration. So here we have this cable going up, connecting to the headlight on top, and then a little bit extra decoration over here with this printed tile. So here we have the iconic round window. So I'm gonna use an arch upside down over here, slide into there, and you can see I offset the one on top a little bit with a jumper. I should have here 2 round tiles, but I didn't have any in my collection, so I decided to just go like that. And then here I can put these 2 dishes with the printed one on the center. It's not exactly like the one in the show, but it's the closest thing that I could get. All around this, I decided to add a lot of different details. But first thing, let's add the wall for the left side. I went brick build sideways over here with some brackets, so I can get the right alignment. So this is just gonna sit there. Of course, because I'm building this only one day, so I get in the morning the prompt, which in this case for this first day was Disney 100. And then from there I need to build, and by 24 hours I need to get the build done, including, work, life, and so on. Over here I also added some lights with some lightsaber over here. So of course the build is not perfectly finished, but it's the best I could do in the time frame of the contest. So now that we have the scene set, I'm gonna add all the little details to try to make this interesting. So there is a lot of desk. So here I have this one with some brackets. We are gonna connect it here at the back side, and then we are gonna add some random stuff on top. I'm using different color. Sometimes I use stickers, sometimes the thing represents something in particular from the pictures from that scene. But some are just random. Over here I'm gonna add another desk. Here I'm using these jumpers inside the tile. We have a computer here on top, and then we can add also over here a monitor, a little bit on an angle. Of course everything is a little bit flimsy over here, so I need to be a little bit careful because of course in the contest only the picture get judged. So not everything needs to be connected perfectly. Here we can have little garbage bin, and then we can put this back on. In the scene he actually pushes a little yellow chair, and I make sure to add that one as well. So this one we can put it somewhere here. So he pushed this on the side so he can get closer to Hero. Over there we have a sort of library cabinet. Here with these window pieces, I created an open drawer. So, and inside we're gonna add loose some volumes, some books, sort of things. So something like this. Potentially, with having a little bit more time, you can get all these things to be connected nicely with some studs on the ground, but I didn't have the time for that. Here I have this cool printed box, cardboard box kind of thing, so I decided to build one to add there at the back. And then here we have these regular Lego drawers with some sort of microscope thingy on top that can move as well. We can have a drawer a little bit open as well. And you can see back here I also use a couple of stickers. This is a Star Wars printed tile. And here I have some printed tiles, probably from some extra sticker sheet. This one I think is for the Go Brick Me Brickhead a few years ago. Here I build another desk in white this time, a little bit bigger and longer. At the bottom we're gonna have another sort of computer kind of thing and another one of these boxes in 10. On top I have a screen, transparent screen with another sticker and some sort of desk light. I put this on an angle so that this can help me to keep this one balanced. If I add two modified plate at the bottom, it will be a little bit too tall. So this one is a little bit difficult to balance, but it worked quite well. And here we have another transparent printed keyboard that slowly I can try to add over here. Then we are gonna have a chair over here, which is gonna be over here. We just need to find the right balance. And another little drawer kind of thing that goes around. At the back we're gonna add the brother, Tadashi, I think his name, over here. And also Hiro, when he came into the scene, he had his little toy thingy that then become very important in the progress of the movie. And with just two pieces, with this step and this minifigure, I created one of that to just put here on the ground because he dropped it just before meeting Baymax. So here is my Baymax vignette. Thank you everyone for the suggestions. I will be building one build for Vin Week every week. Every day, so you can follow the updates on my Instagram page that I'll link down below. And here you can see a little image of the day 2 build. The video will come up shortly, and then over the course of the next couple of weeks, I will show you all the rest of the builds. But if you want live updates, please go to Instagram. Meanwhile, if you want, you can go and check out this playlist on the left, which is the playlist with the builds that I make for Vin Week 2022. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Ciao, ciao!